Have you ever wanted to make your own cartoon animations but had absolutely no clue where to start? Today, I'm breaking it down step by step, and trust me, you'll thank me later. But first, check this out. If you search cartoon videos on YouTube, you'll see these channels are pulling in millions of views and making serious cash. That's exactly why I put this video together for you. First, take a look at this quick clip I generated.
Wow, look at all the flowers!
And butterflies, let's go! What a beautiful day for a walk.
It sure is. Stay on the path, kids.
Jackie, I think we're lost.
What? No, the map says to go this way.
I don't recognize any of these trees.
Mom! Where are you? We need to call the police.
Oh no, where could they be? Everyone, we're starting the search now.
Fred! Jackie! Somebody please help!
We're here! You're safe now, kids!
Pretty crazy, right? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm about to show you the exact blueprint so you can do it yourself. But if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment the word READY down below so I know you're locked in. Welcome to AI Builders Academy. I'm Fred, and let's dive right into it. Before I get started, in this video, I am going to show you all the different ways you can use these tools. First, I will show you how to generate images completely for free using Nano Banana Pro inside Google Flow. After that, we will use another powerful tool called LM Arena AI to turn those images into incredible videos. I am going to show you everything completely from scratch so you can learn how to make videos like this every single day. This is definitely something you need to know. And please note, I made this video independently. I am not sponsored, and this is not a promotional video. This is strictly to teach you and show you exactly how everything works. I'm acting as your online instructor to break everything down clearly. No worries at all. Just make sure you watch until the very end so you can fully understand how it is done. So first of all, before we touch any tool, you need to prepare your prompts. Right now, I'm going to show you the prompt I used for the video you just watched. You can see here on my Google Doc. This is my Google document where I prepare all the scenes for my video. I have the image prompt and the video prompt for every single scene. This is scene 1, image prompt, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. These are all the scenes of the video I created. So right now you can already see how it is organized. And don't worry, you will find this Google Doc link in the description and the pinned comment below. Now, the first tool I'm going to use is called Google Flow. Google Flow helps you create images for free because inside it, you can access a model called Nano Banana Pro completely for free. So go to your Chrome browser or any browser you prefer and search Google Flow. You will see the first link. Click on it. It will take you to Google Labs. Click on it and create an account if you have never used Google Flow before, because Google Flow is the best for this. After entering, click New Project. You can see the projects I created before. Go ahead and click New Project to start fresh. After clicking, you will land on a new page that looks like this. Now, click on Image, choose the ratio 16:9, and you can generate 1, 2, or 4 images at one time. And here's the amazing part. They take 0 credits. That means it is completely free. You can access Nano Banana Pro and generate up to 4 images at once without using any credits. Imagine that. So go ahead, let me show you. I click on one image, then I go back to my Google Doc and copy the image prompt for scene 1, family walking. After copying, I come back to Google Flow, paste the prompt here, and click Generate. It takes just a few seconds. Done. Look at that. The image for my first scene is ready. But let me tell you something very important right now. Google Flow is an incredible tool, but it has one challenge you need to know about. Sometimes when you generate images, the results can be different from scene to scene, meaning the characters might not look exactly the same across all your scenes. The style can change slightly. So here's the secret I want you to know. If you find that the images look different, simply generate more images from the same prompt and choose the ones that look most similar to each other. That is how you solve it. Let me show you. I copy the image prompt for scene 2, Lost in the Forest. Come back to Google Flow, paste it, and click Generate. Done. You can see scene 2 is ready. You can see how they can look slightly different. So generate a few and pick the best ones that match. Then I go back to my Google Doc and copy the image prompt for scene 3, Parents Call Police. Copy it, go back to Google Flow, paste it, and generate. Done. Scene 3 image is ready. And then scene 4, the last one. Copy the prompt, paste it in Google Flow, click Generate. Done. Look at that. The image for scene 4 is absolutely amazing. So right now, I have finished creating all 4 scene images using Google Flow and Nano Banana Pro completely for free. After you finish generating all your images, you need to download each one. You can even upscale them up to 2K quality when you download. No problem at all. Make sure you download every single scene image. After downloading all your images, go to your Downloads folder. Now here's a very important step that will save you from a lot of confusion later on. Rename every image according to its scene number. For example, rename the first image to Scene 1, the second to Scene 2, all the way to Scene 4. This helps you know exactly which image belongs to which scene when you go to generate your videos. It prevents you from making mistakes when uploading. This small step makes everything so much easier. Do not skip it. Now that we have all our images ready, it is time to turn them into videos. For this, we are going to use a tool called LM Arena AI. Go to your browser and search LM Arena AI. Click on the first link. It will take you to the Arena AI page. Since this is your first time, you need to create an account. Click Log In and then choose Continue with Google because it is the fastest and easiest way. It creates your account directly without any complicated steps. Just follow everything they ask. It is not hard at all. Once you finish creating your account, they will show you the options of what you would like to do. Inside LM Arena AI, you can access powerful models including Grok and many others. Before you upload your photo, here's what you need to do. Go to your Downloads folder and find your renamed scene images. Because you already renamed them, you know exactly which one is Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and Scene 4. This is exactly why we renamed them. Now go back to LM Arena AI and click Add File. Upload your Scene 1 image. Now, here's something incredible I want to show you. When you are on LM Arena AI, you will see different modes: battle mode, agent mode, side-by-side, and direct. The best mode to use for video generation is battle mode. Here's why. Battle mode generates two different versions of your video at the same time from the same scene. Then you watch both videos and choose whichever one looks best to you. This is incredibly powerful because you always get the better version. So select battle mode. After uploading your Scene 1 image, go back to your Google Doc and copy the video prompt for Scene 1. Come back to LM Arena AI, paste the prompt here, and click Generate. Now just wait a few seconds. You can see LM Arena AI is using Grok video generation in the background, meaning you are accessing Grok's video model completely for free. Done. Now let me play the first video.
Wow, look at all the flowers!
And butterflies! Let's go! What a beautiful day for a walk.
It sure is. Stay on the path, kids.
And now let me play the second video. You can see video A is better than video B, so I select video A and click Download. Now to generate Scene 2, click Add Files again, select your Scene 2 image, click Open. Go back to your Google Doc, copy the video prompt for Scene 2, come back and paste it here. Make sure you are still in battle mode. Click Generate and wait. Done. Let me play the first video and the second.
Jackie, I think we're lost.
What? No, the map says to go this way.
I don't recognize any of these trees.
Mom! Where are you?
Choose whichever one looks best. Download it. Now, there is something very important I need to tell you. LM Arena AI allows you to generate only 4 videos per day per account. When you hit the limit, they will tell you, looks like you have hit today's video limit. Check back in 24 hours. But here's the secret, and this is something most people do not know. You can use multiple email accounts to create more videos every single day. For example, if you have 5 email accounts, you can generate up to 20 videos per day. Imagine that. 5 emails, 20 videos. This is the best solution. Simply log out, create a new account with a different email, follow the same steps I showed you, and continue generating your remaining scenes, no problem at all. Then Scene 3. Upload Scene 3 image, copy the video prompt from your Google Doc, paste it, click Generate, choose the best, and download. And Scene 4. The same process. Upload Scene 4 image, paste the video prompt, generate, choose the best video, and download. Now I also want to show you something important about Google Flow's video generation, because you need to be aware of this. When you go back to Google Flow and try to generate videos, sometimes Google Flow shows you an error saying the video cannot be made because of a policy restriction. The video generation simply fails. This can happen, and it is a real challenge. So here's the solution. When Google Flow fails to generate a video, simply use LM Arena AI instead. Unlike Google Flow, LM Arena AI allows you to generate any video you want without those kinds of restrictions or limitations. There are no policy blocks on the kinds of stories you can create. It is much more flexible and powerful for video generation. Once you have downloaded all 4 scene videos, go back to your editing software. I personally use CapCut. It is free and works perfectly for this. Open CapCut, select all the scene videos you downloaded, click Open, and drag and drop them into your project. Now you can start editing. Arrange your scenes in the correct order, trim where needed, add music, add transitions. And here's one more thing. When you download videos from LM Arena AI, they sometimes have an Arena Watermark logo at the end of the video. But no worries, you can easily remove it right inside CapCut. Simply trim the end of the clip to cut out the logo, and your video is completely clean. Once you finish editing, export your final video and it is ready to upload to YouTube. And that is everything for today. If you enjoyed this video, I took my time and put in real effort to prepare all of this for you. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a positive comment below. You can also share this with any friend who wants to start creating AI videos. When you do those things, it helps YouTube promote this content to more people, and it motivates me to keep making more videos like this for you. My name is Fred. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building.